You won't believe what happens when you drink a glass of baking soda water every day. This white powder, which is usually only used for baking, can actually prevent acid reflux, detoxify the kidneys, and even boost your immune system. It sounds too good to be true, but science has proven it. In today's video, we will explore what really happens to your body when you drink baking soda water daily. 12 powerful and surprising benefits you may not have heard of. How to use it safely and effectively. If you've ever suffered from heartburn, fatigue, mild infections, or just want to improve your health naturally, don't miss out. You will need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. This is sodium bicarbonate, not baking powder. 500 milliliters, about 2 cups of cold water. Mix well and drink this mixture in the afternoon, at least 1 hour before meals. Benefit 1. Prevent acid reflux. If you feel a burning sensation in your chest or throat after eating, you may have acid reflux. This happens when stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus, causing irritation. Not only because there's too much acid, but often it's due to food not being digested properly. When food stays in the stomach for too long, it puts pressure on the valve that keeps acid levels low. The bicarbonate from baking soda can help by triggering bile flow and pancreatic enzymes, improving digestion. Basically, it allows food to be broken down properly deeper in the intestines, reducing pressure on the stomach and preventing reflux. This is why baking soda was included in the rations of soldiers during World War I and II. Benefit 2. Improve oral health. The main reasons people suffer from tooth decay, bad breath, gum disease are due to harmful bacteria living in the mouth, making it acidic. Baking soda can help kill bacteria and freshen your breath. You just need to mix a small amount with regular toothpaste and gently brush your teeth. This helps whiten teeth, neutralize pH in the mouth, reduce harmful bacteria. However, it should be done no more than twice a week, as too much alkalinity can erode tooth enamel. Benefit 3. Boost immunity. When parts of your body become too acidic, like the intestines, it creates an ideal environment for bacteria, viruses, and infections to thrive. Baking soda provides bicarbonate ions that help maintain pH balance in the body. When digested, it releases CO2, helping the body absorb oxygen properly. Equals greater than this, improves the activity of white blood cells, allowing the immune system to fight pathogens more effectively. If you find this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so I can update you with the latest health and nutrition tips. Benefit 4. Detoxify the kidneys. Your kidneys work hard every day to filter toxins and waste from the blood. But when uric acid builds up, it can put extra pressure on the kidneys, leading to kidney stones, gout in joints, and even just drinking a small amount of baking soda in water every day can help bring the kidney pH back to normal. Equals greater than helping the kidneys perform their detoxification and acid waste filtration more easily. A study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that baking soda slows the progression of kidney failure in patients with chronic kidney disease. Therefore, many doctors recommend using baking soda to prevent gout attacks, prevent kidney stones, and improve kidney function. Benefit 5. Cleanse urinary tract infections, UTI. Drinking baking soda water can help cleanse UTIs in the bladder or urinary tract. It works by slightly increasing the pH of urine, making it difficult for harmful bacteria to survive. This helps reduce UTI symptoms within a week. Combine it with drinking plenty of water. You can also take concentrated cranberry tablets for added effect. Benefit 6. Support cancer symptom management. Some recent studies suggest Baking soda can slow tumor growth by increasing pH in the body. Cancer cells thrive in low oxygen, acidic environments. But baking soda helps make the environment less acidic, making it harder for tumors to grow. A study published in the Journal of Cancer Research showed sodium bicarbonate helped reduce the likelihood of tumor metastasis in mice by improving oxygen supply. However, this is not a cancer cure. It should only be used in conjunction with standard treatment methods and under the guidance of a doctor. Benefit 7. Increase energy. After a few days of using baking soda, you may notice you feel more alert, full of energy, and work more efficiently. Because when digested, the baking soda releases carbon dioxide, helping red blood cells release more oxygen into tissues. Oxygen is the primary ingredient for energy production in the body. Benefit 8. Relieve muscle soreness after exercise. When you exercise, your muscles produce lactic acid, causing stiffness, soreness, and fatigue. Baking soda can neutralize this excess acid, helping muscles recover faster. Many athletes use baking soda to increase endurance, reduce fatigue during high-intensity workouts. How to use: mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda plus 1/4 teaspoon of Celtic salt into 500 milliliters of water. Drink 90 minutes before heavy exercise for Benefit 9. Soothe irritated skin. You can use baking soda as a topical ointment. Mix it with water to form a paste, then apply to insect bites, rashes, allergies, sunburns. Baking soda helps balance the skin's pH, reduce itching, redness, and support healing. You can also add a few tablespoons of baking soda to a cool bath to soothe your skin quickly. Benefit 10. Prevent osteoporosis. As you age, bones become weaker and more prone to fractures. A highly acidic diet makes it harder for the body to absorb minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Baking soda helps alkalize the body, supporting the retention of important minerals for bone health. A study at Tufts University showed people using baking soda lost less calcium than those who didn't. Benefit 11. Clear sinuses. If you are congested with mucus or have difficulty breathing, baking soda can help clear your sinuses. Start by drinking baking soda water in the afternoon, as mentioned at the beginning of the video. Then, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda plus 1/4 teaspoon of salt plus warm distilled water. Use this mixture in a neti pot to rinse the sinuses and expel mucus. You can also steam with baking soda to open up the airways. Benefit 12. Kill fungi. Fungi thrive in moist, warm environments and are difficult to treat. Baking soda can dry, absorb moisture, and inhibit the growth of fungi. You can mix baking soda with water or Vaseline. Apply it to the fungal infected area, or soak your feet in a baking soda solution. A study from the Journal of Medical Mycology showed a solution of 10 grams of baking soda in 1 liter of water inhibited 80% of fungal strains tested. Important notes when using baking soda: only use about 1/4 teaspoon per day. If you experience bloating, nausea, or stomach pain, stop immediately. If you are taking medication, have heart disease, or kidney problems, always consult a doctor first. You can also combine apple cider vinegar in the evening, as vinegar and baking soda do not neutralize each other, but rather help support more comprehensive digestion. All of these benefits show sometimes the simplest things, like a bit of baking soda each day, can create powerful changes in your health. If you found this video helpful, do something kind for your body today. And don't forget, hit like if you learned something new. Subscribe for easy, effective natural health tips. And leave a comment sharing your experience. I read them all. Wishing you great health, steady energy, and a peaceful day. See you in the next video.